Morning crypto, and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to today talk to you about what happened in this weekend and what's about to happen in the next couple of days. I also want to show you what is going to happen in the imminent short term and show you how you can do some technical analysis on a pattern that's a bull flag right now, and I'll show you how to draw those lines in the chart. So let's get right into the content right now. So basically, what we saw happening on the 1 hour time frame is a head and shoulders pattern, which I discussed in the channel, in the Discord channel also, which has a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. And technically, the pattern for that is you take the top of the head, take it to the neckline, then you take this line and you hang it around here. So that's for the breakout of the pattern. And yeah, yesterday we drew that line also. So you can see that, yeah, we almost met the target. The target actually was around 38,393, and we came to 38,544. So what happened then is that what I told the Discord server, a lot of YouTubers were talking about going back to 20K, going back to 13K, but the divergences were very much showing that, especially in the 4 hour, where we saw that the price of the Bitcoin was forming a lower low, but the RSI right here down here was forming a higher high, which is called a bullish divergence, and we traded that, with success, and we had our fourth trade in a row again, which was successful. So yeah, that's what we saw yesterday. I'm gonna go immediately to the 1 hour time frame and show you what I can see forming right now, and also show you how to do the drawings of a technical analysis right now. So you take the trend line, you can see there's a bottom right here with touch points. We take another line, which is a top right here, like this. And we take the pole of the flag, and it starts right here, and you pull it up to the top right there. So you can clearly see this is a flag pattern. And if we take this pole and hang it on the bottom side, then you can see that we're this bull flag pattern, if it is going to break out, you can see the price is actually trying to break out right now, but we need to see confirmation, so we're not trading this yet, but that would technically take us to the 42.7-ish. But you can see this thin blue line right here, which is previous resistance and support. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting for this pattern to break out, then to retest it, and then I'll put in a long position, which will probably move something like this, and then I will take profits somewhere around 42.3, 42.4K. Take profits before the pattern is always a good idea, I guess, because yeah, basically you can take the profit, and if it grows, then it's even further, then it's okay. But if it doesn't make the pattern, which we could see yesterday with if we did a short position on the head and shoulders, which right here didn't exactly meet the target. So taking profits before the target is always a good thing in my book. As long as you take the profit, which is the best thing to do, of course, instead of losing money. We're not in this business for losing money, of course. So if we go to the 42.3 or 4, that's almost a 4% market move. On a 10x leverage, this is of course a 39% or 40% move. So if you have a higher leverage, which I would not recommend, of course, but then it could also be higher profits, of course. So. Well, that's what we're looking for in the imminent short term. I'm not still that excited yet because you can see that the momentum of the MACD right here is going a little down. On the 1 hour, you can see that the money flow is going out. Maybe possibly even see a bearish cross right here. But that's not a big problem right now. We'll just have to wait and see if this if this momentum could easily turn back up again. Like this. So if we look at the RSI right here, zoom it out a little bit, then this was the 4 hour bearish divergence that we were talking about right here, and we saw that the price was doing this. So this is called a bullish divergence. RSI going up, price going down. So that's basically what I wanted to show you for this pattern. I have to remove this. Double click. Yeah. Correct. So let me zoom out a little bit more and look at the 1 day charts. And what we can see, what I wanted to show you, those YouTubers were basically creating FUD in the market, but I still think we're in a bull market, and I'll explain to you why. And if we look at the daily time frame, you can see right here we formed a low, we've formed a higher low, and we're forming a higher low right now. So basically, in a bear market, you won't see these patterns in the long term creating higher lows every time. What I do believe is that we will need to break this trend line right here, which is a very old trend line. I've shown this to you in a couple of videos earlier. So yeah, basically I'm still good. We're looking good. The MACD momentum on the daily time frame. So if you want to trade this and with a lower leverage, then you can also do that. You can see right here, money flow is coming in, and you can see that the bears are losing steam, and the MACD histogram is going to go for a bullish crossover on the longer term. So what you can do is like me, trade the shorter time frames and look at this bull flag that we created just now. Didn't mean to do that. At this bull flag right here. So yeah, that's what we talked about. For the shorter terms with higher leverage, which is you risk little of your portfolio, but you can make lots of gains. And on the daily time frame, you can look at the histogram momentum and trade this with a 2x leverage. And then you just have to be more patient, and then you can see the money flow going up. So those are two ways of trading with leverage, which you can look at, which could be interesting, of course. So yeah, basically I'm still bullish based on the higher lows on the daily time frame. Let me show the green line. Let me show you the green line, which is an old line, and we've discussed this earlier, which started right here. And we got rejected of it earlier, which acted as support earlier. So in order to create new all-time highs, obviously we need to break through this green line, because the price was higher right here, of course. But I can see momentum coming in for the Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin bulls will show a new all-time high. Very soon. Very soon. I don't mean to say that very soon, because this will take a couple of weeks. Of course, it will go probably something like this and a retest, and then go back up somewhat like this. Then we're almost in next year. So this could be a trade. Buying Bitcoin right now based on the daily time frame is not a bad idea, I guess. Momentum is going up, and buying Bitcoin and DCAing is always a good thing in my book. So that was it for today. I'll keep you posted on the Discord channel for this 1 hour time frame bull flag scenario, what we talked about. And so keep that up to date. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing. In order to keep the algorithm going for YouTube, please also consider to like this video and leave your comments. And that way more people can see the video. And that's it for today. Thanks so much. Thank you. Bye.